I am Goreti Nabushosi, founder and executive director of Congo Restoration, which I founded in 2008. Our mission is to revitalize the Democratic Republic of the Congo by educating those who have been most vulnerable in the conflict. We opened the Congo Restoration Saving School in 2011 as an outreach to women in Eastern Congo who had been raped and therefore were on the bottom rung of the society. These women were treated as throwaways, teaching them skills help them and their country rise up. Every 6 months, 60 women graduate from our saving school in Bideka, a small village in Eastern Congo. We have added literacy courses to the program and tried to provide the women with soap, food, or something else of value in the Congo. If the women spend the day at the saving school and return home empty-handed, their families will think they are wasting their time. If they return home with soap, their time at the school will be valued. Our goal is to give each woman a sewing machine and macaron of $75 when they graduate so they can be able to start their own businesses. In return, they will pay back the macaron and teach 3 more women to sew, continuing the cycle of education. This year, we plan to open a second school in Bukavu, the region's biggest city. We are asking you to show your confidence in the women of Congo by funding the opening of our Bukavu Saving School. We need $15,100 to open the school for 1 year, which includes rent, 2 instructors, 30 sewing machines, soap for the students to take home at night, and sewing materials. That is our tapping point. If we receive $15,100, we will open the school educating 60 women, which a trade they can use to support themselves. Our second goal is to provide our graduates with a sewing machine and $75 macaron. That is an additional $13,500 we hope to raise during this campaign. Our complete goal is a $492 life-changing education and startup business for each of the 60 women who will come through our new school in the next year.